Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic trigonometry. In the previous video, we learned how to use the trigonometric ratios to find the acute angles in a right-angled triangle. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the trigonometric ratios to find the length of the side of a right-angled triangle. Let's pick the question for this video. Triangle ABC is a right-angled triangle. Find the length of AB and the length of BC. So this is the triangle given to us, and the question says it's a right-angled triangle, and we can clearly see it. We have been given an interior angle here. We already know that this is the right angle, so that one is 90 degrees. We already know that. But we have also been given another interior angle here to be 60 degrees. We have also been given another interior angle here to be 60 degrees. We have been given this side as 7 centimeters, and we are supposed to find the length of this side, which is AB, and the length of this side, which is BC. Now, how are we going to do this? This is how we are going to go about it. We are going to use these two information that has been given to us to find the length of AB and BC. That is, we are going to use this interior angle that has been given to us and the length of this side here that has been given to us to find AB and BC. Let's first start with AB. So we know that if we are considering this angle here, which is 60 degrees, this length AC, which is giving us 7 centimeters, is the adjacent. If you are considering AC, then this side here, which is, if you are considering 60 degrees, then AC is the adjacent. AB is opposite to 60 degrees, and this side here is the hypotenuse. Okay, so we know this. Considering 60 degrees, AB is opposite, AC is adjacent. The adjacent is 7 centimeters. We are looking for the opposite side. We know that if you have opposite and adjacent, the trig ratio you have to use is tan. Remember that we are concentrating on AB. From there, we will come to BC. So let's concentrate on AB for now. So considering 60 degrees, AB is opposite, AC is adjacent. So we know that if we take tan of this angle here is equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So we can say that from the diagram, tan of this angle here, which is 60 degrees, so tan 60 degrees is equal to the opposite side, so AB, the length of AB divided by the adjacent to the adjacent side, which is AC. So tan 60 is equal to opposite, which is AB, divided by adjacent, which is AC. We know this from our studies on the trig ratios. We know AC to be 7 centimeters, so we have it here, 7. So tan 60 degrees is equal to AB divided by 7. So all we need to do now is to make AB the subject. So you multiply the left-hand side here by 7. You multiply the right-hand side here by 7. Now when we do that, you can see that this 7 here will cancel this 7 here. So we will say that the length AB is equal to 7 times tan 60. But tan 60 is square root of 3. How do we know this? You punch it on your calculator. So you switch on your calculator, you press tan. What do we want? We want tan 60. So you press 60 and then you close the bracket. And that we have square root of 3. So 7 times tan 60 is the same as 7 times square root of 3, because tan 60 is square root of 3. So we have to look for 7 times square root of 3. So 7 times square root of 3 will give us, this is giving us in set form. If you watch the video on set, we said that if you click on this button, the S to D button, it will change it from set form to decimals. So we have 12.124. The number goes on and on. I'll leave my answer to 2 decimal places. So we have AB is equal to 12.12. Don't forget the units centimeters. So the length of AB is 12.12 centimeters. Let's go on to the second part, which is finding the length of BC. Finding the length of BC. We are still considering this angle here, which is 60 degrees. Considering 60 degrees, we said that AC is adjacent and BC is the hypotenuse. So we have adjacent, we have hypotenuse. So what trig ratio should we use? Cos. Cos 60 degrees is equal to adjacent. The adjacent is AC, which is 7 centimeters, divided by the hypotenuse, which is BC. That is what we are looking for. Okay, so I'll multiply the left hand side by BC. I'll multiply the right hand side by BC. So this BC and this BC will cancel. So you have BC times cos 60. So you find cos 60 on your calculator. So you press on cos, then you press on 60. You close the bracket, and that will give us 1/2. So cos 60 is 1/2. This is going to give us BC times 1 is BC, so BC divided by 2. You multiply the left hand side by 2, the right hand side by 2. 2 will cancel 2. 7 times 2 will give us 14. So it means that the length of BC is equal to 14 centimeters. So you see, using the trig ratios we have been able to find the length of the side of a right angled triangle when a side and an interior acute angle is given to you. So here we were given the side AC and one of the acute angles at 60 degrees, and we have been able to find the opposite angle, the opposite side, and the hypotenuse. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to solve more questions on finding the length of the side of a right angled triangle using the trig ratios. Bye bye.